guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making shito, which is a West Africa Ghanaian dish which you usually eat with few little things like rice, potatoes, awache, kenke, banku and all of those things. These are the ingredients which I'll be using. I've got blended prawn, just like prawns and it's like sardines, and I've got just prawn powder here. You can get the fresh ones and blend it yourself, but I'm using what I've got at the moment. I usually get fresh ones and then blend them, but today I'm using just the packed ones that is already blended. But with these ones, the sardines and a little bit of the prawns that I have left at home, I've just blended that. You can see that that is different blend to this one, so I've just blended that one myself. I'll be using tomatoes puree, chili powder. I'm not using a lot of it because my husband and my kids don't like it too spicy. Using salt, and this is garlic and ginger paste, and I'll be using a little bit of mixed herbs, and I'll also be using 2 Maggi cubes. I'm not using quite a lot of ingredients, just this ingredients, and it does taste fantastic even though I use the amount that I can take and my kids can take. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so I'll be starting off by adding a small onions which I've chopped. Okay, so you can see my onions are literally dark brown, so I'm just now going to put the onions in here. Just turn my cooker a bit down. And I would also be adding the ginger. So I'm just going to wait for it to cook for a bit. Don't want this doing. Just gonna cook it for a bit. At the moment you can see that it's all attached with the oil. So once it's nearly done, you see that the onions are well separated from the oil, and you can actually like see the oil is right on the top of it. Right, see you in a bit. Okay, so you can see that it's cooking good, and you can see how the oil is all separated into one side. So you can see the onions. I'm just going to wait for a little bit more for the onions to cook more properly. So I'll see you again. Okay, so you can see the onions are literally cooked here. So I'm just now going to add my chili. You have to let the tomatoes cook before you can actually start putting the rest of the ingredients in here. Okay, so I have left it to cook, and you can see that the tomatoes is nicely dry, just like how the onions were. So the oil is literally thick on the top. So I'm just now going to put the ingredients for it, and I'll be using sorry. I'll be using herbs, just put the herbs and the Maggi cube. So I'm just now adding the Maggi cube in here, and second one, and also be adding the tomatoes puree in here. So I'm just gonna mix this until it dissolves with the stew. Okay, so now it has dissolved with the. So I'm just now going to add the herbs in there if I can get this thing open. Oh! So I'm just going to use just a small amount in here. Sorry, mind my measurements. Okay, probably teaspoon will be fine. Okay, so now that is done, I'm going to add salt for the taste. Okay, so now I'm just adding salt for the taste, not too much until I'm done, so I can actually find out that is. So you can see that everything is perfectly cooked, and I just had a little taste and everything seems so. So I'm just going to now just be adding the blended prawns and the other one. Okay, so you can see that because I used a lot of oil, but you know, it still feels like it's not that much oil in here, that it's actually gone dry a bit. So I'm just gonna turn my cooking temperature down, so it does not burn, because when it underburns it doesn't taste that good. So it just tastes a bit burny. So as it's like this, I'm just gonna leave it slowly cooked until it turns brown. Alright, see you in a bit. So I've left it to cook, and I've just come and checked, and it looks good, and it looks like it's all perfectly done. So I'm just cooking some rice to go with it for today. So hubby will be very happy when he comes home, because he loves these with eggs in the morning. Alright, see you in a bit. Okay guys, all done. And you can see it's nice and smooth, it has no bits in it, and this is how I make my Ghanaian Shito. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave comments however you like. Thank you. See ya.